Check today, and today I want us to solve this question of polynomials, where the question says that the polynomial 2x cubed plus x squared ax squared plus bx plus 6 is denoted by p of x, where question A says that given that x plus 2 and x minus 3 are factors of p of x, find the value of a and the value of b. Where question B is asking us to do when a and b take these values, factorize p of x completely. Now, so 2x plus ax squared plus bx is equal to 6, plus 6. Then x minus 2 is a factor, and x plus 2. X plus 2 is a factor, and x minus 3 is a factor. Find the value of a and b. Now, when you say that x plus 2 is a factor and x minus 3 is a factor, it means when you substitute the value of x to this polynomial here, it means when you substitute the value of x there, we'll get 0. So now here, let's get the value of x here in the first factor here, where our value of x here will be minus 2. Then our value of x in the second factor will be 3. Now, to get the solution of these, or to get the values of a and b, now we substitute. Now let's substitute now 2 to the polynomial. Now we have now 2 into negative 2 cubed plus a into negative 2 squared plus b into negative 2 plus 6 should give us 0 because it's a factor. Now here we have negative 16 plus 4a minus 2b plus 6 should give us 0. Now here we can see we can collect like terms 16 and 6 which will give us negative 10. Now here we have now 4a minus 2b is equals to 10. Now you can see this is our first equation, that's equation 1. Now let's substitute now 3 to our polynomial, where we have now 2 into 3 cubed plus a into 3 squared plus b plus 6 should give us 0. Now with this one now here, we have now here, which is 54 plus 9a plus 3b, which we add 6 should give us 0. Now when you take 54 plus 6, you'll get 60 because they are like terms. Now from there, now we form another equation where we have now 9a plus 3b, yes, plus 3b should give us negative 60. Now this one is our equation 2. Now when you look at this one, now equation 1 together with equation 2 is like we have now a simultaneous equation. So now when you move to the next page, where our first equation was 4a, let's go back to the 4a minus 2b is equals to 10. 4a minus 2b is equals to 10. Then the next one was 9a plus 3b is equals to negative 60. Now when you look at these two simultaneous equations, you can solve it either by elimination. So here we can use elimination, and let's eliminate the value of b. So to eliminate the value of b, in equation 1 we multiply by 3 the coefficient of b, then here we multiply by 2. So now we remove the bracket. So in equation 1 now here we have 12a minus 6b is equals to 30. Then in equation 2 now we have 18a plus 6b is equals to negative 120. Now here to eliminate b, we add. So we add everything. So here we get negative 90. Here we'll get 0. Then here we'll get 30. 30a. So we have now 30a is equals to negative 90. So divide everything by 30, divide everything by 30. So our a here becomes negative 3. So after getting a as negative 3, now you can substitute one of to either of the equations. So let's substitute equation 1 here. We have our a as negative 3, so it means where there's a in equation 1, substitute negative 3, so you get 4 multiplied by negative 3, you get negative 12, subtract 12 subtract 2b, it should give us 10. So the 12 goes to the right, so we have now negative 2b is equals to 22. So over negative 2 over negative 2. So here our b here is negative 11. Now after getting now our b as negative 11, we can now substitute now the values of a, which is a and b, to the equation, now to form the equation the way it was. So here now we substitute now here to the value of a and b. Now we have 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 11x plus 6 plus 6. So this is now the polynomial, our polynomial. Now we need now to solve now question b for polynomial, which says now when now a and b take these values, factorize px completely. Now we need to factorize now px completely, so we can use either of the factors, which is sorry, this one. So our factors were x plus 2 and x minus 3. As you know, it's a polynomial with the highest degree of 3, so it means we need to have three factors here. So we have the 2, so let's expand this 2 first. So to expand this 2, we get now x squared minus x minus 6. So this is our first the two factors given. So now here we need now to use this expression now, the quadratic expression now, to divide to the polynomial to get the next root, or the next root of the polynomial, or the next factor of the polynomial. So now remember our polynomial is, so we are doing division. So here we have x squared minus x minus 6, and our polynomial is 2x cubed minus 3x minus 11 x squared, sorry, minus 11x plus 6. So now we are dividing this. So to divide this, multiply everything by 2x. 2x. So we have now here 2x. So when we substitute 2x here, we get 2x cubed. Subtract 2x squared. Sorry, subtract 2x squared. Subtract now 6x. So now we can we are eliminating x cubed, so we do the subtraction. So here we get negative 5x. Here we get negative 3 minus subtract negative plus 2, we get negative x squared, because this one will give us 0. Now with this one, now here we drop the 6 down, so plus 6 now. So here now we do what? Oh, sorry, here was 12. Here was 12. Sorry, it's supposed to be 12. because yeah, it's supposed to be 12. Here is 12. That's why here we are getting now x, so plus x. Yeah, so now here multiply everything by negative 1, or we get here negative x squared, subtract x, subtract 6. So here all this cancels, we get 0 0 0. So we are now our third factor is now 2x minus 1. So to get now the solution is, what the factors are, you take x plus 2 into x minus 3 into 2x minus 1, and that is your solution. Thank you. Thank you for following. Thank you for following this class, and I hope you've learned. And the request, if you can kindly guide me on the next topic that you want me to tackle or to guide you through, kindly leave it in the comment section, and I'll be able to respond, and I'll be able to help you or guide you in a topic that you feel you are stuck and you need my assistance. Thank you.